Here are the ingredients. 140 grams of dark chocolate chips, 113 grams of unsalted butter, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of granulated white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs, 95 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 125 grams of milk chocolate chips. In a large microwavable safe bowl, combine the chocolate and butter. Microwave it for 30 seconds until it becomes melted and smooth. Then give it a good stir. Add your sugar to the hot butter mixture and mix it until it's combined. Add in eggs and whisk it for about 1 minute, or until it is very combined. This will help us create a crispy crust on the top for the delicious brownies. Then add your vanilla extract. Now add your dry ingredients and stir. Then add your chocolate chips and mix. Pour it into a prepared pan and smooth it out. Bake it in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Let it cool down in the pan for 30 minutes before slicing, then enjoy.